your birds when they hear a loud noise? You may have noticed they go silent and still. They're very sensitive to sound. I'm Dr. Michaela, and today's video is about chicken stress caused by loud noise exposure. Just like humans, chickens prefer nice sounds over harsh sounds. When they hear a new and loud sound, like fireworks or construction, this can cause stress. If these sounds occur at night, it can be even more stressful and disturb their circadian rhythm. Research shows that birds are sensitive to noise. Broiler chickens exposed to noise at 100 decibels, which is equivalent to a car horn or power tool for only 10 minutes, had a higher level of stress hormone than those that weren't. Long-term exposure to noise like this increases the risk of feather pecking. Additional studies observe that chickens exposed to truck, train, and aircraft noises consistently for 60 minutes a day were more stressed than birds not exposed to the noise. The effect of noise also goes beyond just stress. It also affects their feeding behavior and health. Broiler chickens exposed to 85 decibels had a 15 to 25% reduction in feed intake. A study in songbirds also found that noise increased stress levels and affected feeding behavior, but also had a direct effect on the populations of bacteria that actually live within the intestinal tract. The good news is that birds do acclimate to noise. Birds that live within cities will adjust the volume of their songs and calls to their urban surroundings. The best way to support our chickens during times of noise stress, whether you know what's coming or not, is first to ensure that they have a safe place to go where they feel comfortable, like their coop. The second thing would be to provide easy access to feed and water. The third thing would be to provide a supplement like a probiotic that'll balance the intestinal tract while they're experiencing the stress. This can be especially helpful during times when fireworks are used to celebrate. For more information on how to support your chickens during times of stress, check us out at backyardchicken.com.